In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-translate videos using Vidnoz.ai. To auto-translate videos, open your preferred browser by clicking on the icon. In the search bar, type Vidnoz.com. This will take you to the Vidnoz website. As you can see, you can create free AI videos in 1 minute. This is a very useful tool. To auto-translate videos, click the feature. Hover over the Free AI Tools option. In the AI Video Tools section, scroll down until you see the AI Video Translator. Click on the AI Video Translator. Here, you can see this is a free tool. You can translate your videos into 140 plus languages with natural voice. To use this tool, upload a video by dropping it in this box or by clicking the Upload Video option. You can drag and drop the video. The supported formats are M4V, MP4, MOV, or WebM. Below that, we have the Choose Preferred Video Settings box. First, choose the original language of the video. Let's assume our video is in English. Next, choose the output language, the language you want to translate the video into. Click the drop-down box and choose the language. For this example, we can choose Arabic. So, our video will be translated from English to Arabic. You have a subtitles option here. To ensure quality, please upload a video without subtitles. This is required. Check the box by clicking it. We will check this for this example. Below that, you have the lip sync option, which has two requirements. The first is the duration must be longer than 10 seconds. The second is that free users are limited to 30 seconds. You need the premium version or subscription to use the lip sync feature for more than 30 seconds. This is a beta feature and may not give the best results. To use this feature, click the box and it will be applied to your video. As an example, look at these translated demos at the bottom. This is the original video of Elon Musk.
Deep than you can go up. The deepest mines are much deeper than the tallest buildings are tall.
This is the translation to French.
Plus vous ne pouvez monter. Les mines les plus profondes sont beaucoup plus profondes que les bâtiments les plus hauts. Ainsi, vous pouvez atténuer n'importe quel niveau arbitraire de congestion urbaine.
This is the translation to German.
Dann kannst du nach oben gehen. Die tiefsten Minen sind viel tiefer, als die höchsten Gebäude hoch sind. So können sie jede beliebige überlasten.
This is the translation to Spanish.
Que puede subir. Las minas más profundas son mucho más profundas que los edificios más altos. Por lo tanto, puede aliviar.
As you can see, these languages are complex, but the tool easily translated them from English to French, German, and Spanish. This is a very capable tool. Make sure to use this for good purposes. That's pretty much it for this video.